Hi children, Namaste. So children, in my previous class, I have explained about second lesson's exercise part, questions and answers and all those things. I till that F main, till that F main I explained to you, and also I sent those all the things to your WhatsApp group. I hope you are all filled them in your textbooks. If you are not filled till now, please fill those all the answers in your textbook, and some things I told you to write in the CW. Please write them in your CW also. Don't forget to write those all in CW, and will be there marks. Be careful, will be there marks for your CW and HW, and what are all the things I told you to read the lesson and send those audios also. I told no, for them all we are going to give marks. Be careful, so don't neglect it. Okay, don't neglect these all the activities. These are all very important for you. So we have to write these all the things and send through the WhatsApp. When you come for the worksheets, you bring your all the notes and get correction. Okay, you can get corrected in your notebooks when you are coming for the worksheets. Okay, don't forget your marks. You will lose marks otherwise. We are not giving marks if you are not writing your CW and HW. Definitely we will not give marks. Okay, so let us go to the exercise part of that second lesson now. I will continue where I left yesterday. From there I am going to continue today. Yes, look at it. Spell right. It is there. G main. F main already over. Till F main I explained to you in my previous video only. So here you can see. Circle the correctly spelt words in these pairs. Correct spelt word you have to circle here. First one already it is done for you. You can look at it. You can look at it. Accidentally, accidentally. Which is correctly spelled. Both words are, their pronunciation looks like same, and words letters also only little change it is there in that letter formation. Okay, word framing in that there is little change, but their pronunciations they seems to seems to be same. So be aware of it, and you have to circle those correct spelled words neatly. Okay, so here first one is accidental. This is correct. ACCIDENTLY is correct, not correct. It is ACCIDENTALLY. Accidentally, accidentally, suddenly we are calling. No, it is another word. Its another word is accidentally we are calling it. Next, second one, experience or experience. Here only one word difference you can see. Okay, one word difference is there in between these two. 1 minute. I will here see. Here is RIE. Here is RIA. So which is correct? So correct word is this first one. Correct. First one is the correct word. EXPERIENCE. Experience. Second one is experience. First word you have to circle. Next, third one, business. Business. Here you can see BUI. Okay, BUISNESS, and here this side you see BUSINESS, which is correct? Business. It is business. It is business. Business is this. This is the correct word. Okay, second word is correct here for third one. Okay, BUSINESS, business. Next, fourth word, COMMITTEE, committee. Here COMMITTEE. It is MMI in this first one. Here MI it is there. Which is correct? So correct word is this one only. CO, committee spelling is COMMITTEE, committee. Clear? Okay, let us go to the fifth question. Fifth one, intelligence. Intelligence it is became intelligence. Here it is one letter difference, that's all. Only one letter difference it is there in between these two words. Here GA is there, here GE is there. Okay, look properly. Here GA is there, here GE is there, only one letter difference. Instead of A, here is E, that's all, which is correct. So correct word is second one only, intelligence, not GANCE. It is GENCE, intelligence. Okay, so circle it. Next, sixth one, possession. Possession means, for example, pen. Whose this pen? It is mine. Whose this book? This is Purvi's book. Whose this box? This is Anush's box. Like that we are telling the whose it is. When we are going to tell that, we are telling its owner name. That is called possession. Whose this water bottle? This water bottle is Ramya's. Ramya's water bottle we are telling. So like that. Possession. Which is the correct spelt word here? Possession, or here one letter, here S, single S is there, here double S is there. So correct word is this one only, possession. Okay, possession is this one, possession, correct word, second one. Sixth one, pronunciation. Here pronunciation, N-O, here N-O-U, here N-U. Pronunciation it is pronunciation. Pronunciation is wrong. So correct word is it is wrong. It is first one is correct. Pronunciation. P-R-O-N-O-U-N-C-I-A-T-I-O-N. Pronunciation. Okay, pronunciation. Okay, next, eighth one, disappointed. Disappointed. Okay, so which is corrected? Here double P or here single P. Correct word is this one only, disappointed. D-I-S-A-P-P-O-I-N-T-E-D. Disappointed. Okay, so it is wrong. Second one is wrong. Next, ninth one, necessary. Necessary. So here necessary means what? Here N-E-C-E-S-S-A-R-Y. N-E-S-E-C-C-A-R-Y. So you check it in your dictionary, it is wrong. Correct word is, correct spelled word is first one only, N-E-C-E-S-S-A-R-Y. So is it necessary to talk like that? We are asking, no, sometimes necessary means, is there that do you want to talk now? Why you are talking? Is it necessary? We are asking, no. So spelling is this, N-E-C-E-S-S-A-R-Y. Last one, questionnaire. Questionnaire. Which is correct here? So check it out. Now these 9 I told you, no. 9th one, 10th one, which is correct? You can check in your dictionary. All of you try to use dictionary. Whenever you sit for the English class, sit with your small dictionary, pocket dictionary you can purchase and keep with you. So these kind of new words when they come, so you have to search in the dictionary. That habit you have to continue. Okay, which is correct among these correct spelled word? It is homework for you. You have to search and circle that one, whether it is correct or whether it is correct. Which is correct, for that you have to circle. Then dictionary check, it is there, children. Dictionary check. So you can look at these words. Look at this dictionary entry for the word friend. Friend spelling also you see. A friend is someone you know well but who is not related to you. It is meaning. First what will be there? That word will be there. F-R-I-E-N-D. That you have to check it, spelling. Friend. Second one, a friend is someone you know well about who is not related to you. So it is meaning. Third one, friend pronunciation. That also we have to check. Okay, friend's pronunciation F-R-E-N-D. Its pronunciation it comes like that. But spelling is F-R-I-E-N-D. Friend. Pronunciation F-R-E-N-D. Friend. Like that it becomes. Okay, but exactly its pronunciation is friend. Spelling is F-R-I-E-N-D. Friend. Okay, then noun. It is a noun. So because it is we are using that word to the person. Shankar is my friend. Baswa is my friend. Ramya is my friend. So it is used to indicate a person. So it is noun. It means countable. So it is coming under the parts of speech. Noun means it is coming under the parts of speech. And fifth part you can see here. Friends. Its plural form is what? Friend. One is there means Basava only it is there. Is my friend means friend. Two members are there. Basava, Shankar. They are my friends. 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 Then sixth word you can go there. Sixth point we have to check it out. I had a pleasant evening with my friend yesterday. It is a sentence. Your friend word is used. Your own sentences. Sometimes I am giving in the worksheets. I gave you that work. So some words I am giving in your worksheets. You have to make your own sentences using those words. That homework already I gave you in the worksheet. And also always this is one of the good habit, making sentences using English words. It is good habit, you keep it up. Whenever you get some English words, you use them in your own sentences. So here friend word they used and they made a sentence. I had a pleasant evening with my friend yesterday. So these are all the 6 points we have to see in the dictionary. When we check the dictionary, we need to see first spelling, second its meaning, third its pronunciation, fourth its whether it is belonging to which part of the parts of speech, then fifth one whether it's what is the plural form of that. For example, book is there, its plural form will be books, pen, pens, okay, box, boxes, leaf, leaves, like that we are telling, no? So like that. And last one will be we have to use that word in our own sentence, like that. So this is one example they gave. You have to use these words: lonely, sanctuary, perched. These 3 words you have to see. First, lonely, its spelling you have to check. Second one, its meaning you have to check. Third, its pronunciation you have to check. And fourth, it is belonging to which part of speech, that you have to check. And sanctuary, virtue, all these same only. These 3 words we have to use like this. Here they used about friend, no? Like that same you have to use these all the parts for these 3 words: lonely, sanctuary, perched. These 3 words meanings, these 3 words spellings, pronunciations, and whether they belonging to which part of speech, and their plural form, and those words you have to use in the sentence. 3 words: lonely, this word also you have to use in the sentence. Sanctuary, this word also you have to use in the sentence. Perched, you have to use this word also in your own sentence. It is H main. Then come downside, understand grammar. It is there. In someone sentences, the verb has a subject and an object. Object is nothing but about what we are going to talk, that is object. Who is talking? He is called subject. Rama killed Lakshmana. Rama is talking here. It is that work is done by that Rama. Okay, who has done that work? Rama done that work. Who killed Ravana? Rama killed Ravana. So that work it was done by Rama. So Rama is the subject. Who is killed by Rama? Okay, who was killed by Rama? Ravana was killed by Rama. By whom he was killed? By Rama he was killed. So here, so you will be in the object part. That person. So what that subject part, it is going to take place here. What they are, that is doing the action. So that is considered as their verb, and that next person is considered as the object. Okay, Rama is subject, Ravana is object, and killed, that word is considered as verb. Few examples they gave here also, you see. Sudhir visited Tilak. Sudhir visited Tilak. And now, who visited Tilak? Sudhir visited Tilak. You can see here, Sudhir visited Tilak. So here, Sudhir is the one who is doing that activity or action. That person is called subject here. So Sudhir is the subject. In this sentence, Sudhir is the subject. Then what about the object? To find the object, we have to ask who or what after the verb. After the verb. So Sudhir visited the Tilak, like that it is there. Okay. Sudhir visited whom? Okay. He visited whom? Here he visited Tilak. Sudhir visited Tilak. Here Sudhir is the subject and Tilak is the object he is. And in between Sudhir and Tilak there is a word visited. Then what it is? It is a action word. It is an action word. It is considered as verb, we are calling it. Action words are called as verbs. So visited is verb, Sudhir is subject, Tilak is object, like that. Here are there some examples for them. You have to circle them. Which is subject and which is object, you need to check it and circle them. 1. Circle the objects and underline the objects. Circle the subjects and underline the objects in these sentences. Subjects we need to circle and objects we need to underline. Already first one is done for you. Okay. First sentence, Tilak loved sports. Here who is loving the sports? That person is Tilak. Tilak is the subject. And which is loved by Tilak? Sports. Sports is loved by Tilak. So sports it is the object. Underlined it is. Next year. Second one, Tilak missed school for 6 weeks. Which is subject? Which is object here? Subject is Tilak. So who missed the school for 6 weeks? Tilak missed the school for 6 weeks. So it is subject. And school is considered as the object here. For 6 weeks we cannot consider it as an object. There must be noun always in this place. Okay, so that school it is. Then later we can go to the third one. Third one, fourth one only I will do it. Do this. 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, they are homeworks for you. Okay. He was the captain of the cricket team. Here which is subject and which is object? Yes. Now there is no noun in the beginning. So pronoun is here. He. He is the subject. Very good. Then object is team. Team is group of that members. Team members. It is considered as one team. We are calling cricket team, football team, Kho team, Kabaddi team. We are calling. The team is object. Then Sudhir. It means here you can just consider who is the captain of the cricket team. He. He means there is a boy. That boy is the captain of that. He is considered subject. And he is the captain of what? He is the captain of cricket team. Okay, he is the captain of cricket team. So that we have to circle it. Cricket team. Underline that one. Sorry. Okay, subject we have to circle and object we need to underline. Cricket team is the object. Next. Sudhir enjoyed reading books. Okay. So here you can see that what is subject and what is object. So who is reading books? Sudhir is reading books. So it means it is Sudhir is the subject. We need to circle him. And what is object? Books. Which are read by Sudhir? Which are read by Sudhir? Books are read by Sudhir. Okay. So that is why we need to underline books here. Books are object and Sudhir is subject. Clear? And 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th they are homeworks for you. We have to complete them. Okay. Here use grammar it is there. My partner likes dash. She or he does not like dash. His favorite movie is dash. She or he plays dash. She or he wants dash. We enjoy dash. Like that it is there. Here work in pairs. You have to get pair. If you are in the school, if you are having pairs, your friends were there, no? They were working as a pair and you were sitting each other and you have to talk and you have to fill these blanks. But your friends are not there with you now. You are all at home. You can ask your brother or sister or parent, somebody to sit in front of you and you can complete this task. My partner, it means in front of you. If you are just imagine that your father is your partner, or your mother, or your uncle, or your brother, or sister, or grandfather. So, what he likes, what they like, that you have to mention here. First one. Second, she or he does not like. What they don't like, what actually your mother not liking, that you have to mention, or what your partner is not liking much, who is sitting in front of you, that you have to write here. For example, one example, my partner likes sweets. I will write here sweets. Okay, I will write here sweets. Second, she or he does not like cake. I will write here. Okay, so maybe my friend is not, my partner is not liking cake. Whatever you write, you can write your own answers. Ask your friend and you write here. Ask your father or mother or somebody. Consider them as your partner and complete this task. Then third one, her or his favorite movie is what? Which is their favorite movie? Ask them. Which movie name they will tell, that you mention here. Fourth one, she or he plays what? Which game they plays? They play. Okay, whether your partner, if they are interested in cricket game, you write cricket. Volleyball means volleyball. Football means football. Okay, which game they want to play, that you write here. Fifth one, she or he wants dash. So for example, my friend is, my partner is girl. I am telling that she wants to play, or she wants to eat, she wants to write, she wants to read, she wants to run, she wants to watch TV. So whatever you write, she wants to dash or she wants dash, whatever you fill here. So according to that, any verb you can fill in this fifth blank. Sixth one, we enjoy dash. So both myself and my partner together, we enjoy a movie, or we enjoy a game, we enjoy a song. It means you are listening song, both of you, you are sitting in front of TV and you are listening, and you say that we enjoy a song, we are telling that. So like that, we have to fill in this last blank. We enjoy playing, we enjoy singing, we enjoy reading, we enjoy writing, we enjoy eating, whatever you write. So that is the thing. So with this I am going to conclude my today's class. In my next class I will continue with this K main. Now till J main it is over. Okay. So complete these all the things in your textbook and take a photo of these mains and send it to my WhatsApp number. Okay. Take care all of you children. Have a nice day.